Welcome problem solving fans to another problem of the day, and this one is going to be nice and easy as long as you're good at your times tables, of course. It says here is part of a multiplication grid. Shade in any other squares that have the same answer as the shaded square. Well, first thing we need to do is figure out what that answer in the shaded square actually is. Well, in the shaded square, if we read along to the side and all the way up to the top, it's going to be 9 times 4. Well, 9 times 4 is 36, so that's the answer in the shaded square. So the shaded square is 36. Now we need to find any other squares that have got the same answer as that. So any other squares that have got an answer of 36. One thing to do here would be to make a note of the factors of 36. Well, you can have 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. All of those times together to make 36. So the question is, are any of these on our actual grid? Well, 1 times 36 isn't going to be on the grid. 2 18s isn't. 3 times 12 isn't. But 4 times 9 certainly is, and it is actually on there twice. We've got 4 times 9 going that way, so that would be 36. And the other 4 times 9 is the one going down from 4 here and across from 9 here. So that's already the 36 that we've got. But there is also going to be a 6 times 6 at the bottom here. Well, 6 times 6 is going to be pointing towards this square. So that's also going to be 36. But it does ask us to shade in any other squares that have this answer of 36. So I suppose we better had shade it in and do what it's actually asking us. So this one needs shading in, so does this one, and so does this one at the bottom, which is actually already shaded. So it's the 2 extra ones that we've shaded in yellow that we should be shading in.